New York City witnessed a vibrant celebration of culture, spirituality, and community at the Festival of Bliss on Sunday, April 21st. Hosted at the Community Center Auditorium in Flushing, New York, the event united a diverse array of artists, performers, and leaders. Notable figures including Padma Shri recipient Dr. Sudhir Parekh and Dr. V.K. Raju were honored for their contributions to the community. Dr. Parekh lauded the initiative for a new yoga center, emphasizing its significance for both local and global communities. Coordinated by Acharya Abhiramananda Avadhuta, Anand Marg community members and Bhukti Pradhan Naveen Joshi, the festivities featured delightful vegetarian cuisine, devotional songs and mesmerizing dance performances. The event also served as a fundraiser for the Anand Kalpataru Wellness and Meditation Center in Stafford Springs, Connecticut, furthering the cause of spiritual well-being. Take a look.
Thank you so much, Dr. Yeah.
Hi, this is Dr. Sudhir Parekh. This is really a great event today, a cultural society event, and they are trying to raise on this Ananda Marga Yoga Center. They're going to build a beautiful, very vast yoga center with all the kind of facility. So we wish them all the best, and congratulations to Ananda Marga Yoga Mandir or meditation center. Thank you.
I'd like to request Sanjay Babajaji is here. Please come on the stage. Is coming? Sanjay ji? Naveen ji is here? Okay, Sanjay ji, please. Brother Ram is here. He is the committee member. I'd like to request, please, hand over to love of momentum. Thank you, Dr. Pariji. And Dr. Pari, once again, Dr. Pariji. His personal assistant called me more than 5 times. He said, Dr. Pari is coming. So I'm sending the photograph just to present in the website. So I was a little bit scared who is he. Then he called the New Jersey event, numbers of event. He's a good friend, good human being, and his contribution is incredible. Please, I'd like to request, give the appreciation, round of applause once again.
Well, I would like to congratulate and really appreciate the great initiative of Anand Marg and Acharya Advaitji. What they are doing is not only a service to the community, but service to the whole humanity and humankind. And what I understand that they are going to build a huge and very vast and very state-of-the-art yoga center to help the community, help the health of the community, and thank you for that. And you can always count on my Parekh Worldwide Media as well as ITV Gold for any support. That's your platform. You can use the way you want to use it to promote a good cause. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for love and care. It's all the best. And God bless you. Thank you.
I'm glad to be here today. You know, what was going on in the world, something like Ananda Marg coming from Indianness, trusts around the world is maybe the only answer. The biggest answer my mother used to say, service to humanity. Manava Seva, Madhava Seva. In this direction, we have a brilliant neuropsychologist from London and Oxford and Cambridge, a remarkable gentleman who wrote a book called How to Live Like Gandhi, Life's Simple Little Rules. In 70 pages, he put it entirely about life. And if you are leaving, who can I present this? Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you for these books.
Thank you so much for having me here. And I'd like to request Shiv Kumarji to token of love just to get first. Thank you, Saluja for your kind cooperation. B.K. Rajuji is the great philanthropist and I Foundation in America is established. Please give the big round of applause in appreciation. Thank you so much.
Namaskar everybody. My name is Naveen Joshi and I'm the Bhukti Pradhan in New York sector. And today's program is a very nice international concert. And also to remind everybody that we have 100 acres of land bought near Connecticut, or rather in Connecticut, where a lot of activities are being considered to be put. That will include a yoga and wellness center, an organic farm, and small cottages for people to come and stay. And it will be like an eco-village. And in Anand Marg terms, it is referred to as a master unit. Only about little more than 100 miles from JFK Airport.
Namaskar. This is Acharya Ishwar Krishnanand Adhut. I am a sannyasi of Anand Marg, Pracharak Sangh. I have been sannyasi since 1973. I left India in 79 and I am here in New York since 1996 in USA. It is a wonderful program. We have this culture program, culture, the art is very important. Art is for service and blessedness. So art is very important. But why we are doing these programs? One of the reason is that art was created to uplift the human mind. It is for the service and blessedness. So art is going away from its tradition. That is why Anand Marga is trying to create. In the first person in this universe was the Lord Shiva. He is a Nataraj. He gave. So we are trying to follow the tradition to create an art which uplifts the human mind, not degrade.
नमस्कार मेरे सारे भाई बहनों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामना। ये जो प्रोग्राम है हमारे, ये भी महात्माओं के प्रोग्राम हैं। आनंद मार्गी हमारे महात्मा भाई बहन हैं सब। ये प्रोग्राम में हम आए हैं और महात्मा लोग जब भी कभी कोई प्रोग्राम करते तो जनता के कल्याण के लिए, देश के लिए, सारे विश्व की हित के लिए, सारे मानवता की रक्षा के लिए, मानवता के उत्थान के लिए प्रोग्राम है। तो मैं भी यही समझता हूँ, इसमें से यही संदेश जाएगा, सारे विश्व का कल्याण हो, विश्व के मानव जाति का कल्याण हो, मानव जाति के भीतर एक शांति का संदेश, एक आनंद का संदेश और एक आध्यात्मिक उन्नति का संदेश ये जाए, बस यही प्रार्थना है। और यही मैं आशा रखता हूँ शायद यही से ऐसे ही प्रोग्राम यहाँ पर होनी है। बस आप सबको बहुत बहुत नमस्कार, धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, शुभकामना।
Hi, this is Dr. Vipul Patel from BAPS, Swaminarayan Temple in Flushing. Swamiji had invited me here for the Anand Marga program, which is really nice because Anand Marga program is, they are worldwide and the foundation has just bought a big land in Connecticut, Stafford, Connecticut, over 100 acres. And they are doing so much cultural activities for the Hinduism and also for the youngsters. So it's a really big event and a lot of Indian communities have participated here. So please come and watch the program through the ITV. Thank you for ITV for hosting this event also. Thank you. Thank you and Jai Swamnarayan.
Namaskar. I'm very happy to welcome you all at the occasion of this International Festival of Music. It's a festival of bliss, and there will be, it's a multicultural event, and people from all over the Connecticut, Washington DC, New Jersey, New York are participating here, and from different countries the dances are going to be present. And on behalf of Anand Marga, I thank all the participants and audiences for being present here. Also, I am thankful to the ITV for covering the news. Thank you.
Our Naveenji, and big round of applause of everybody. His contribution for the community and understanding of the Anand Marga last 1 year is thrill and incredible. And I do appreciate core of my heart of the entire your contribution and understanding. So please.
So my name is Abhishek. I am from Queens, New York, and I've been with Anand Marg since last 6 months, and I've been learning the new meditation techniques that Anand Marg teaches, and it has helped me a lot in my own life. And I would encourage people to learn the meditation from the gurus, acharyas we have in Anand Marg, and it would help you to channelize your energy in a positive way to reaching your goal. So yes, that's why I think you should come up and visit Anand Marg someday. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ashley Liang, the founder and artistic director of Ashley Liang Dance Company and Ashley Dance Center. This is our 15th anniversary this year. Those beautiful girls next to me are my dance students. I held my dance production at Lincoln Center in 2019, and I was happy that my students joined my show. It's our honor to join the dance event today. We are going to perform 2 dances. The first dance will be the Chinese Dunhuang dance Silk Road. My student got first place for this dance in January this year. The second dance will be the Lantern dance. I'll be the principal dancers in this piece. Hope everybody will enjoy our dances and wish everybody have a great day. And thank you for watching the ITV Go channel. Thank you.
Hi, this is Jasbir J. Singh, wishing all ITV Gold viewers a very good evening. Today we are at Flushing Hindu Center Hall, and we are celebrating Festival of Bliss. It's by Anand Marg, and I'm delighted to see so many sadhus, respected sadhus, and so many international groups who are performing over here. It's all about meditation, it's all about harmony, it's all about peace, and I'm glad to be part of it, and I'm thankful that I was invited and given a chance to observe it and be a part of it. And I see over here Vaisakhi Mela's event. It's on May 19th. So I request everyone to please go over there in Nassau Community College and enjoy at the biggest Vaisakhi festival with her Bhajan Man and lots of freebies, free rides for kids, lot of food. And also I see Preet Nama, Pritpal Kaur, she works hard, so support her. But we love ITV. Thank you so very much, Kirpaji, the cameraman.
धन्यवाद।